my name is Norfirdha Azzahra. Here I will do a tutorial or procedure for how to fold t-shirt quickly and neatly as an assignment for the listening and speaking for professional context course. Welcome to a super quick and simple way to fold your t-shirt neatly using just a pinch. This trick will save you time and keep your t-shirt looking sharp. Let's dive in. Step 1. Lay the t-shirt flat on a clean, flat surface, with the front side facing up. Step 2. Find the middle of the t-shirt between the collar and the shoulder seam. Mark it with number 1. The center point, which is parallel to number 1, is given number 2, and the end of the t-shirt is number 3. Step 3. Pinch parts number 1 and number 2. Lift number 1, then combine and fold with number 3, like this. Step 4. Smooth out any wrinkles or air pockets as you fold to ensure a neat finish. Once formed, fold it again in half vertically, like this. Step 5. Fold again. This is optional. If you feel the fold is still too long, you can fold it again into 2 parts horizontally, like this. Okay, let's try again. Okay, one more time. And there you have it. You've successfully folded your t-shirt neatly in just seconds. This method is not only easy and quick, but also helps save time and space in your drawers or suitcase. Thanks for watching and enjoy your neatly folded t-shirt.